Archibald. Welcome to Frog's Point Honey. Let's cook.
To make awesome chili powder, you're going to need 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper, a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a quarter teaspoon onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder, a quarter teaspoon of ghost pepper powder, that's optional but awesome, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite chili powder. I prefer homemade. Toss the cumin in a dry pan over medium-high heat until it starts smelling really great. You'll know when it's done, but be careful not to burn it. Toss it in your spice grinder and give it a whir. As an aside, you really want to do this with as many of your spices as you can. Buy them whole and grind them as needed after toasting. You'll never regret it. Put it in a bowl, mix it up, and you're done. As usual, all the ingredients are in the description below. Please click like if you like what you see, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy!